So y'all wanted to see Babyboy's reaction when he first seen his steering wheel. Now let me give y'all a little backstory. Y'all, he was not even supposed to be in his room. I was telling him that I was taking his room for him because he was being bad. Like, he hadn't even did that for real, but I had to say something, y'all, to keep it secret up. But he wound up seeing it earlier than he was supposed to. But y'all, this is his reaction right here. you was like,
yeah, let me just go downstairs. How much did y'all pay for that? Huh?
So you know that means I gotta take it back, right?
No!
Because you weren't supposed to see it, right?